Welcome to the swap and heap updating video. Now, we really don't like swap, so we're going to turn off swap with swap off-a. In addition to that sysctl command we did with the m.swappiness, we'll also be preventing swap from mounting in the fstab file. So we want to comment out that line in a fstab that has swap in it. Now we want to make this directory for this is basically the directory for us to update the Zookeeper heap space. So we place this file with this inside it in the directory, and Zookeeper will load that file and have that heap size. Now we're going to update the bookkeeper heap size. This is the bookie_mem value. So I don't like to delete things personally, so I just copied that bookie_mem line and then made the one below it 128 megabytes. So we've decreased from 2 gigabytes to 128 megabytes. Which is great because, again, I'm running on this on a little laptop. This is the Pulsar heap changing section. So there's a Pulsar_mem line. So again, I just copied it and decreased the values while leaving the original line. All right, there you have it. The heap sizes have been changed.